Lesson 7.2 Rollover and Enable. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will get counting with Enable and Handle Rollover. Count only when enables. Wrap at the limit. Confirm pass. Enable freezes the counter without touching reset. Rollover keys or wraps when each hits the programmed maximum. Both belong in the same clocked block with less equal updates. Enable counter with explicit rep behavior. Your TODOs are the enabled increment and rollover assigns. Should both golden queue less equal lines, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run, and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log shows enable and wrap behavior, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TP scope and add the signals. Surfer queue holds when enable is low, wraps at the top. Yosys shows enable muxing into the counter next state. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review, enable gate plus rollover comparing 1 always. The test bench toggles enable around the wrap point. That is rollover and enable. See you in the next lesson.